Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to What the Food. So today we have this cool setup and we're wearing in Thai traditional clothing.
Yes.
We are gonna be making Johnny's very famous papaya salad, and this is for all of those friends and family requested for this video. So yes, it's gonna be really good.
So papaya salad is a really popular dish in Thailand, Laos, and Cambodia. So there's a lot of different variations of it. But today I'm going to show you how I usually make it.
We apologize for the smoke because we are actually grilling gai yang, which is a grilled chicken at the back. There's no way that you eat papaya salad without grilled chicken in Thai cuisine because they go hand in hand.
Exactly.
Yeah, so we always call it Somtam Somtam is like something that you have to eat together. So not sure if you guys
they really
can see
complement
us.
each other. So.
Oh my god, that's Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all these yummy recipes. What the Food is a food channel. We will do some, not just with Thai cooking, but we got some Chinese dishes, Japanese.
Exactly. It's a focus on Asian food, but it's not exclusively to Asian food. So we're going to be doing some food reviews, sharing some great recipes, and we'll be going on some food adventures as well.
Yep.
แซ่บอีหลีมากินน้ำกันเด้อพี่น้อง
You talking to me, Nissan? What does that mean?
Yes, it means it's delicious. Come and eat, fam.
Okay, look at those colorful ingredients.
Yep, that's exactly what you need for delicious Isaan style papaya salad.
Oh gosh, I'm excited.
Yep, definitely not Isaan style if it doesn't have Pla Ra.
Yep, it has an acquired taste that I have to learn to appreciate over time. Now I just can't have enough of it. So this is just one of the brands of the shrimp paste that we use. Any brand you find will work.
The star of the recipe, we have green papaya.
Ooh, it's crunchy and bouncy. I like it.
So the first thing you're going to do is peel the skin off the papaya. Take a sharp knife and be careful, hack away at that papaya.
Alright, well make sure you don't cut your finger because I don't like meat in my papaya.
No exotic meats for you? Okay. Once you're done hacking away, you're going to shave off shards of papaya strips.
If they don't look perfect, that's okay because that's really the goal, right? You want different texture, different sizes.
Exactly.
Oh wow, you're going fast. Without cutting your fingers.
Oh my gosh.
If you don't have good knife skills like Johnny, here's a different option for you. However, you won't be able to achieve the same texture if you use the veggie peel.
I prefer the knife method because as you can see, it gives you thicker and crunchier texture.
Yay, let's start. Extra pepper please, I like it spicy.
Yep, keep it coming. Next, you'll add 2 teaspoons of white sugar. In Isaan style, we usually don't make our papaya salad very sweet.
Ooh, I know what that is. That's MSG.
Yep, there's no shame.
Well, if you don't like it, you can skip it, but I like it in there.
Alright guys, it's time to use those biceps and smash it into a paste.
That's right, my favorite kind of workout. More workout, more food.
Alright, scoop in a tablespoon and a half of shrimp paste.
I love that shrimp paste.
Smash, smash, smash.
Ooh, now it's time to add some color to the papaya salad.
That's right, let's slice in some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna put in about maybe 8 to 10 pieces.
Just to add some sweetness and tanginess to it.
And some juice. Toss in some slices of Thai eggplant. I'm using 1 to 2. And next, snap off 2-inch pieces of long green beans, about 1 cup, into the mortar.
And you go! Smash, smash, smash!
Alright, one hand scooping the items in the mortar to the surface, and other hand lightly bruising and tossing. Okay, so in total, we're going to be adding 5 tablespoons of Pla Ra.
Wait a minute, Johnny. Where can I get this Pla Ra sauce?
Sorry, it's not sold in stores. I made it at home. But if you're interested, leave a comment below and maybe we'll make a video on it. Now, if you don't have Pla Ra sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce should work, but if you do have Pla Ra sauce, then 1 tablespoon is just fine. And next, you're gonna add the juice of 1.5 to 2 lime. Mix, bruise, toss. Mix, bruise, toss. Dang, that sounds violent. And last but not least, we got 2 handfuls of papaya shreds. Combine all the flavors, and once you're done, give it a taste test and adjust it to your liking. It should be pungent in flavor and have a strong balance of sour, salty, savory, umami, spicy, and just a little sweet.
Oh my god, all these flavors, it sounds amazing.
Yes.
Ooh, that's exactly what we needed. Make sure you grab a piece of gai yang, which is the grilled chicken,
And enjoy! So guys, after all that smoke, we're
and
finally
hard work.
done.
Yes. Alright, after all this hard work, what do you do after this?
You eat hard. Work hard, eat hard.
So, we got sticky rice, we got a Thai shrimp salad called Pla Ra.
Yeah.
So if you want to learn this, follow us. And we got grilled chicken. So earlier we said that you cannot eat somtam without gai yang. They're like twins. Right?
I know, it's so good. They go hand in hand. We got the cat moo.
And Isaan, people eat pork rind with somtam, right?
Yep.
So, let's begin. I'm super excited.
We got a lot of crunchy, savory things going on here, so I'm super excited to try.
So the whole day I've been waiting for this moment.
I know.
Here. I'm like, which one should I eat first?
Dig in.
No, let's go for the papaya salad. Look at this. Look.
Just mix it. Mix the sauce and everything.
I want a pepper.
Okay. You a gangster. Oh my gosh. Okay.
So good.
And papaya salad has a nice, refreshing
This
balance
is so
of
good.
flavor. It's all the sounds. Citrusy, spicy, savory, and a little bit of sweet. And
Tomato.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's gonna taste even better when you dip the khao niao into the sauce.
Yeah.
And cat moo.
So, okay, I'm not gonna be shy about it. I'm gonna eat it a Thai way.
That's right.
This is how you eat it.
Roll it into a ball into your hands.
And grab some papaya salad. And then now we're going for the shrimp. I don't know if you guys can see how big the shrimp are.
I can't wait to try. Let me try. So what did you? What's in here?
So this is a typical shrimp salad. So I was thinking today, when Johnny said he wanted to make papaya salad, I'm like, oh, let's make chicken. But I'm like, I want some seafood too. So basically just shrimp with lemongrass and num pig cow, chili and soybean oil.
Oh,
that's how they call it.
Okay. This shrimp is everything.
No, I can't get enough of the papaya. Okay, now chicken. Here, take this part because it's so char.
I love it. Paris Gayang, so good. It has packed with flavor. What'd you put in it?
It's a secret. You guys have to watch the video. We'll share with you guys.
It's so good, and what makes it even special is that she really did grill it, so you get that really nice smoky flavor.
Here is the shrimp. You can see how big that is. And the papaya salad. So Johnny walked away. More food for me.
Alright, what are you gonna demonstrate?
Eating papaya salad in gai yang. Okay. I don't know if this is Thai way, but this is definitely Perry's way. Here. Take a little bit of gai yang, right? Grilled chicken. And you really have to dip the chicken in the sauce. Like that. And you grab a little bit of papaya.
That looks so good.
So, wow, chicken is so good.
I know, they go hand in hand, seriously.
Do I have something right here?
Nope.
So, oh my god, the chicken is so good. It has this really char flavor. Oh. Yeah.
Okay guys, we're back.
Yes.
And you see the table is cleared.
We just cleaned it.
Because we finished all the food.
I know, it was really good, right?
It was so delicious.
Yeah. Like sometimes when I get homesick, I just make Thai food and it's so good.
Yeah, it's totally doable at home, so definitely give it a try.
Very authentic.
Yeah.
I love the Isaan Style papaya salad. It's so good.
I love the kayang.
Yeah.
That sauce or whatever marinade that Perry put in there really penetrated all the way to the center of the chicken because you taste it in every single bite.
That's why we get along, because he likes my chicken. I like his papaya salad. It was so good.
It was really, really good.
Yep. So until next time, we'll see you.
Bye. So people always say you should be eating with one hand, but I can't do that today.
What?
I don't know, so you hear some people like, oh, you should eat with your one hand and wipe with the other. Not today.